A common issue with Microsoft Word accessibility is the way that headings are created. Oftentimes, when we are trying to make a heading in Microsoft Word, we'll simply highlight a line of text, either make it bold or increase the font size. However, to those that require a screen reader to access these types of documents, this type of text would be read exactly the same as the rest of the text on the page because it's missing an important element. To make an accessible heading in Microsoft Word, we need to take advantage of Microsoft Word's style tools. I'll highlight this line of text, open the style tools, and change this to a heading level 1. This places a behind-the-scenes tag that indicates to the screen reader that this is indeed a heading and a heading level 1. Now the difference between heading level 1, heading level 2, 3, and so on is the hierarchy of how the headings are meant to be displayed. And what I mean by that is that a subtopic of the main topic would be a heading level 2. So I can use the same style tools to make this subtopic a heading level 2 because it is a related topic to our main topic. Likewise, if I have another type of subtopic, I can make that a heading level 2 as well. If I have a heading that is only related to this first subtopic, this would be considered a heading level 3. And we can use Microsoft styles to make all of these the appropriate heading level. All of these will have their specific heading tags so that a screen reader can read these appropriately, designating the level of heading hierarchy to the listener. We can change the way the styles look rather easily. If I go to the Styles menu, right-click on heading level 1, I can modify the heading. I can change the size, the font, the way it's displayed in many different ways, including boldness and the color. The way this works is that it will cascade that change throughout any text in this document that also has that same heading level. In any document, even a short document, it's important to have at least one heading to let the user know that this indeed is the main topic of the document.